andito naman, complete all steps during the event period to earn 250 ATH. Okay guys, so today pag-uusapan lang natin dito ulit yung update kay Notcoin, as well as mamimigay tayo dito ng Toncoin guys, no, gamit itong application na ito. Discuss din natin dito guys yung other campaigns, other rewards na free nyo lang makukuha. Discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Ito merong mga ongoing campaign or promotion dito that we can get, no? So bago tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So dito guys, gamit yung application, gamit yung cellphone is that we can join dito, we can get ng mga rewards, no, like for example this one, ayan, and then meron din dito mga ongoing campaigns as mentioned kanina. And then last time we discussed yung trading bots, no, yung automated na siya gamit yung Notcoin na pair. So for now, pwede nating i-check yon. Punta lang tayo dito sa my trade, ayan, tapos dito sa trading bots, and dito sa taas, check lang natin ito. And as we can see, ito yung pinaka-running natin guys, no. Mamaya sa end part ng video, I'll share na lang yung pinaka-discussion itong sample ng ating bots, no. So for now, back muna tayo dito, tapos punta tayo dito sa my home. Itong application na to guys, if ever man you just created an account, like for example dito, yung official link na ito guys, lalay ko sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. At para guys ma-apply yung 10% off, like for example you sign up, ayan, and then pagkatapos nyan, click mo lang ito, next, confirm, and dito guys sa pinaka-code, no, lagay mo lang dito Crypto Fortune, ayan. So meron ditong lalabas na 10%, no. So pwede nyo naman na i-click directly yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na to, and magkakaroon dito, mag-apply yung 10% discount, no. Pero if ever na wala ito, i-manual add nyo na lang to, no. So simple as that. So for now, balik muna tayo dito sa application natin. Pwede nyo i-download yung application na ito, and dito mamibigay tayo ng TON, no. So discuss na rin natin itong mga ongoing campaign dito, like for example itong kay ATH, no. So meron ditong price pool na 2.3M ATH, mamaya discuss natin to, pero for now mamimigay muna tayo dito ng Toncoin, no. So punta ka lang dito once na download mo yung app, nagpa-verify, na-verify yung account mo. Dito sa pinaka upper left corner, no, meron dito mga dotted na menu, select lang natin to, ayan, and then scroll down lang natin to hanggang makapunta tayo dito sa rewards and perks, no. So select ko lang tong crypto gift, magsisend ako. So dito guys, first 10 lang, no, ang makakapag-claim. Tapos dito amount per person is 2 USDT, total of 20 USDT, and then tap send. Send ko lang yung code, ayan, confirm, and yun. So ito yung pinaka-official link, ilalay ko na lang din sa description ng video na ito yung pinaka-official link guys, no, para ma-claim nyo ito. And I think ito is for the new user, no, if I'm not mistaken dito, and within 24 hours lang yung pinaka-duration nito. Like for example, meron kang Notcoin, tapos hindi mo pa alam kung paano i-claim, you can just get this one guys, no, like first 10 na makapag kuha nito. So for now guys, let's go back, and then like for example, since USDT yon, and back muna tayo dito. So like for example, na-receive mo na yung pinaka-USDT, na-claim mo yon. Punta ka lang dito sa trade, tapos piliin mo lang ito ditong TON USDT. Ayan. So yung pinaka-USDT na yon, pwede mong gamitin to buy TON, no. So like for example, this one. Ayan, and then market order lang para mabili ka agad. Like for example, you have 2 USDT. Ayan, and then buy TON, no. Confirm. And ayun, so meron ka na ditong pinaka 0.2826 TON, no? So that's the time na pwede mo siyang i-withdraw papunta sa Telegram app mo or papunta sa TON Keeper, no, para ma-transfer mo yung Notcoin mo. So easy as that. And for example, balik muna tayo dito sa home. Discuss ko na rin dito guys yung mga other updates pa, yung mga campaign, no, na pwede nating salihan gamit itong application na ito. So like for example, pwede nating i-scroll or slide going to the left or right. Makikita naman natin yan once na ma-download na natin itong application na ito, no. So this one guys, ito yung ongoing. Meron tayong mga diniscuss before, like for example itong kay Alti. Meron din ditong kay Notcoin, still ongoing pa to guys, no. Pwede kayong mag-claim dito and pwede nyong salihan ito. So like for example, piliin muna natin itong kay ATH, ito, ayan, yung pangatlo. So select lang natin to, join now tayo dito. And pagkatapos niyan, ito makikita natin, you can just read these details guys. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference and update, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito, and sana makatulong itong video na ito for those who look for other or explore other opportunity dito, and ano yung mga ongoing campaigns, no? So I just want to discuss this lang, and yun. So ito 21 days, like for example, participate ka lang dito. Andito naman, complete all steps during the event period to earn 250 ATH, no? Dito you can just join now lang. Andito yung pinaka details. You can participate this campaign. So like join now muna tayo dito. Ayan. So join now dito guys. And after that we can check this one. Ito yung pinaka first task. Ito yung pinaka second task. Andito naman guys, no, yung pinaka step by step other details dito. We can check this gamit yung cellphone natin, no? So yun, easy as that. This is the latest campaign, no? Ang daming campaign dito guys na pwede nating salihan. Pwede tayong makakuha ng free coin or free prize pool dito. Like for example, yung kay Alti, kay Natcoin, Toncoin, binigyan natin ng perspective yon. Ito naman kay Ether Trade or ETH, we can get this free ATH dito guys. So like for example, you can earn 250 ATH guys, no? So you can explore, you can check this one, itong recent update na ito guys, no? So yun, hope you get some updates, ideas today. If you have questions, feel free to ask lang dito sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat talaga sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.